Hey, hope everyone is doing great. I just developed a JetBrains plugin for my own uses. The plugin is called CodeGPT for Laravel. It's a plugin based on ChatGPT. Recently, the ChatGPT API just published, and I used that API to develop this plugin for my own uses. So what does this plugin do? There are two main features currently in this plugin. First one is it can generate test case for any Laravel model or controller, or uh, so you just need to right click and you see that is depend on OpenAI API key. So you need to obtain a OpenAI key from here, then you need to paste the key here. Then after that you can just need to right click on any class, PHP class, and then need to click on generate test case. So you just need to wait a bit, and after that you see the test case is generated. So in this way you can easily generate test case for your model or controller or any features. So the second feature of this plugin is it can explain any code from the IDE. So currently I'm using PHP Storm, so I want to know what this code is actually doing. So when I click on CodeGPT explain this code, after some times it should provide the explanation in human readable format. So I think it might help me in my developing. So I just shared this plugin with the community. The source code is already available in this URL, so you can check it there, and if you want you can contribute. I would really appreciate that. So that's all from today. Bye bye.